What is up, everybody? I am back in my Christmas PJs for this video, and today's video will probably go up on Christmas, maybe the day before, not really sure. But in today's Christmas series video, you probably saw from the title, is my holiday room tour. I keep my room pretty like pastel-ish colors, like soft colors, so it's always weird for me to decorate for a holiday in here because I have a lot of soft pinks, yellows, that kind of stuff. So when I do decorate for a holiday, it's like red and green don't really go with, but that's okay. And I'm gonna show you what my room looks like because I've never really done a room tour in any fashion, so you're gonna see my holiday version. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so I'm not even gonna lie, I did clean my room for this, like, I did, okay? Don't come for me. My room was messy. And so starting with my desk area, it is where I edit. I set this thing right on top of the coaster when I'm filming like my intros and that kind of stuff, so that is the angle that you're seeing me from. And then right next to there, we have my cute little Christmas tree that has a broken star on top, which you saw if you watched my video decorating that. I'll put it up top. This is also just like where I do homework, study, that kind of stuff. Not very often, but mainly I do my makeup here. So like all my makeup is in those drawers, and then I have some old yearbooks and stuff, and this is all the palettes and stuff that don't fit in the drawers, so it's a little messy, but yeah. And then my James palette doesn't even fit in here. And what is this, you may ask? I am going on a mission trip this year, which the link for that has been in the bio of my videos, but I never really talk about it. So if you're watching this and you have any interest in donating, the link is down there. And if you want, I can give you more information on that, just let me know, but I don't want to spend too much time talking about it. And then this is actually a picture from one of the past mission trips I've done. I also keep my colored pencils and expo markers up here, and just a cute little sign, candle, and everything. And I always love to have art on my walls, and my calendar is up there as well. And then I'm not gonna show you my closet. And right by my door is actually just where like I hang up kind of random things. So I have my belts and purses and my keys and everything up there. So on the left, when you come in my room, we have a cute little mirror with some stuff I got on one of my other mission trips up top in there, just some little mementos I like to keep. And then my mirror, cute, you've probably seen pictures in here if you follow me on any social media. And then it is my hamster's cage. Maybe she'll come out. She's down there. She's down in there. But anyways, this is her cage. This is her home. I'm not gonna bug her, they're nocturnal. And then I keep her little stocking right here, and this is super glittery, super cute. So yeah. And her food and treats are right there as well. And I keep this little bookshelf, just that's all my school stuff that I like to keep organized by class, and some books that I'm either reading, have read, or will never read, but they stay there. And then I have this cozy little corner that I got this chair at Urban Outfitters, and usually these pillows are all on my bed, but because of the Christmas ones being on my bed right now, they're not. And these are my stuffies that I keep around. Don't come for me, I like them. And I have this tapestry from Urban Outfitters, pretty basic. And on my nightstand right now, I have this Let It Snow light, which probably like kills all the rest of the video, but it's fine. And I keep a candle here, Alexa. This is a picture, oh, not you, sorry. And then a picture of my sister, and this cool little like rock thing where you light a candle beneath it. You put some like oil and mix with water in there, and it makes the whole room smell really nice. I also like to keep a journal by my bed because when I'm feeling motivated, I'll write in it before bed. And then here we have my bed, and I love this type of like a thing for Christmas. I don't even know how to describe it, but like the car with the Christmas tree on top is like my favorite decoration ever. And then I have my snowflake sheets, and above my bed is my Polaroid wall that I keep just all the pictures I've kind of taken over the years. Pretty much all of them I've taken are up there, and I don't really like to take them down even if I'm like not friends with anyone anymore. Like, those are memories, and I don't know. I like to keep my Polaroids up there. And then I have these, which are really hard to get to because of the way my bed is, but I have another little car Christmas tree moment, and then some ornaments in here, which like some of them are broken, so like yikes. But I also have like a few fake plants in my room, and so it kind of ties in the green, I guess. But down here I also keep blankets and my Bible and the book like I'm currently reading, except I haven't started reading that yet. I just want to. And right by my desk, I keep my hamper so that it hides all the cords that run from the spot right there all the way to here because there's no outlets. So yeah, that is my room tour for Christmas, I guess. I don't have a ton of Christmas decorations, but that's just because my room isn't really made for it. And the fact that like I have a big yellow tapestry, so it makes it look kind of weird. So that is today's video. If you liked it, go give it a like down below, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell. Just freaking interact with my videos. That's all I'm asking for. Not too much, I don't think, but you're back in the spot. You know where you are now. And that is it for today's Christmas series video. I'm not sure what will be going up tomorrow, but hope you enjoy. All right, peace.